I don't know about you guys, but I have been waiting for warm weather. This is the barbecue season, the picnic in the park season, and on more than one occasion already this year, I have been asked to be the cocktail girl. I don't know anything about cocktails, aside from that I like them. So when faced with this dilemma, I knew exactly who to call. Maggie Hoffman.
Pretty quick.
You are my cocktail 911 call. You are my phone a friend. Maggie is my phone a friend in this situation because she's the drinks editor at Serious Eats, and she just wrote a book called The One Bottle Cocktail.
I have a book full of fancy cocktails from bartenders that only require a single spirit.
I knew I could rely on you and all of your cocktail bartender group of friends.
If you're getting really excited about spring and good weather, I always think about strawberries, and who needs a fancy liqueur when we have strawberries? So I have a drink called the Slippery When Wet. It's by Shannon T. Seidel, who's one of my favorite New York bartenders.
You'll need 1 large or 2 ripe strawberries halved, a 1/4 ounce fresh lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of honey. Mix all of that in a cocktail shaker and muddle it until the strawberries are well broken up. Then add 2 ounces of gin.
And then there's a secret ingredient, and people might not even guess it when they taste it, but there's a teaspoon of Greek yogurt in it.
Add in your yogurt, then fill the shaker with ice and shake for about 15 seconds. Fill a rocks glass with crushed ice, then double strain the cocktail into it. Garnish with the strawberry slice and finish it by grinding a little black pepper on top. The Greek yogurt really is the magic ingredient here. It just makes the texture so incredible. As a gin fan, I totally love this drink, but because the recipe does only make 1 cocktail, maybe it's just the kind of thing Connor and I enjoy on a Friday night. To prep for a bigger group cocktail situation, Maggie suggested I do Passport to Chile, a drink by Matt Friedlander of New York's Sweetwater Social.
And it'll make about 12 drinks, so you crowd of people over and not be stressed and not be worried. And then you get to just be at your own gathering, you know?
Yeah, and isn't that the goal, to enjoy hanging with friends? Now this is what I'm talking about. The alcohol for this, it says to use Pisco, but
if you don't have Pisco, I'm guessing you might have a bottle of Blanco tequila.
Add the whole bottle. The book says 750, mine was 500 milliliters, and it was still plenty strong. You also need 2-to-1 honey syrup. That's 2 parts honey, 1 part water. 22 ounces of fresh grapefruit. For me, this was about 5 ruby red grapefruits. 11 ounces of fresh lime juice, and
then there's a little bit of hot sauce in it.
Yeah, the bit of hot sauce doesn't make it spicy. It just kind of sharpens the flavors and wakes up your tongue. Stir everything well, and if not serving right away, refrigerate it. All right, bag full of grapefruits and all of the other deliciousness. This is the perfect day for a passport to Chile and the perfect day for a barbecue. All right, ready, Connor?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I guess I'm the lime guy. Cool with that.
Barbecue time. The big perk of a simple cocktail is the ability to travel with the ingredients. So I made a fresh batch at our friends Robin and Felix's place.
Cheers. Cheers.
And don't forget to keep it quirky. Have you guys been listening to my podcast? It's called the Keep It Quirky Podcast, and it's really fun. So check it out. Apple, iTunes, Stitcher, SoundCloud, all the places. Bye.